Vegas Pro's built-in barn door transition is a little static, and the settings in the transition menu doesn't allow you to change how fast the doors are moving. But with some masking and by using the picture-in-picture effect, we can make a barn door effect that's much smoother. To make the transition, you need to make at least 3 video tracks. Then we're going to make 2 masks, each for 1/2 of the screen. I used the checkerboard from the media generator to line up the mask perfectly. You need to actually go 2 pixels over the middle for it to completely mask the middle. Save both masks as a preset so it's easy to recreate the transition. Get rid of the checkerboard and add the 2 clips you want to transition between. Make sure the first clip is at the bottom and the second on top. Then you need to duplicate the top clip and add the 2 masks to each clip. Then add the picture-in-picture effect, enable animation on the location and set the scale to 1. For the clip you mask the left side of, you set the first location value to -0.5. For the right side you set it to 1.5. Then create a new keyframe at 2 seconds for a smooth transition. Simply set the location values back to the default value. Right click the first keyframe and set it to fast fade. And there you go. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this video helped you out in any way, and I'll see you in the next one.